If you're a celebrity, then you're sure to have tons of fans. There are admirers, haters, and then there are the creepy stalkers. As much as their glamorous life is under the spotlight, being a celebrity is quite scary. Stars are often at the receiving end of unwanted attention. Most of the regional actors don't usually come out with any of these stories, so we do not have much information about them. Today at Simply Curious, we are talking about 10 Bollywood celebrities and their creepy stalkers. Sushmita Sen. She almost had a Dastak deja vu moment in 2008. A completely smitten fan first began sending rich gifts to her unnamed. The frequency of gifts kept increasing, but Sushmita wasn't too bothered until one day she received a bridal dress and wedding accessories. Thus began rounds of obscene messages and letters threatening her to either marry him or prepare to die. A police complaint became necessary. Katrina Kaif. Bollywood's Barbie doll was in for a shock in 2009 when she was stalked by a crazy fan for 9 long months. He followed her everywhere and even managed to reach her apartment building, claiming she called to meet him. Once he came all the way to a promotional event in Mumbai, but CAT security staff stopped him. The actress, however, refused to file a police complaint. John Abraham. He has always had females going gaga over those dimples. But it seems his homosexual act in Dostana left such a deep impression on one of his male fans that he began constantly calling John on his landline, wanting to speak to him. He even called up his parents. When John's staff informed the actor was quick to file a police complaint. Minisha Lamba. Better to call him a psycho stalker who followed her for a month. The man used to harass Minisha by repeatedly calling her and sending her vulgar and abusive text messages. Even though she tried blocking him, he never gave up. Ultimately, the actress filed a non-cognizable complaint with the police to stop it in 2009. Raveena Tandon. It was revealed that Raveena had a fan who always took her as his wife even after she tied the knot with film distributor Anil Tadani. Since the stalker believed it was his duty to protect her from any other man, he began following her and even pelted stones at her house and Tadani's car. It was found that the 45-year-old man was mentally disturbed and needed medical consultation. Raveena voluntarily decided to help him and end the matter. Shahid Kapoor. Shahid's case is different. He was stalked by not just any obsessive fan, but Vastavikta Pandit, the daughter of legendary actor Raj Kumar. She followed her favorite actor everywhere and even claimed to be his wife. She was so madly in love with him that she bought a flat next to his building and stalked him to various places. Her obsession forced Shahid to file a complaint. Obviously, it was all because of some psychological problems that she had. Shruti Hassan. This one is scary. The South Indian actress was attacked by a stalker who walked straight inside her apartment and rang the doorbell late one night. He even tried to push his way into her house after grabbing her by her throat. Shruti managed to break free from the physical altercation by slamming the door. She even lodged a complaint with the police. The obsessive fan, who had the guts to trespass her house, later turned out to be a spot boy from her shooting star. She suffered psychologically and had to move out of her house and live with her friends for a while. Abhishek Bachchan. Junior Bachchan had a passionate and mad lover who, just a day before his marriage to Aishwarya, showed up and claimed to be his wife. To garner media attention, she even slashed her wrist. The police had to intervene. It was revealed that she was a background dancer in Abhi's famous song, Das Bahane. She was floored by the actor during the shooting itself. Sunny Leone. Sunny Leone was a victim of cyberbullying. She was once threatened by a fan who said he would come to her place and harm her. She also recalled being bullied all the while, and in self-defense, she would always carry a knife with her while opening the door. Sunny mentioned that it was a dreadful experience for her and it still affects her. Ellie Avram. Ellie had to change her home because a stalker managed to reach her door and scribbled her name on it. Her gym trainer even received a call from a guy asking about her gym timings, while a group of 4 guys paid a regular visit outside her place. These are really scary. Everyone needs privacy and we should accept and appreciate it. Celebrities are humans too, right? We have to be more considerate of that and should not pry too much into their private lives. Live and let live. Please take care and share this video with as many people. Don't forget to press the like button, the share button, and do subscribe to Simply Curious.